and welcome back to my online music course. Today we're going to talk a little bit more about simple time, but I wanted to focus on the patterns that we have in those time signatures. By patterns, I'm referring to strong and weak beats per measure. So the first time that we were looking at was simple duple time. Duple time is any time signature that has a 2 for the top number. So you could have the 2-4, you could have 2-8, you could have 2-2. But in duple time, we're going to have a strong pulse on beat 1 and a weak pulse on beat 2. And then you have your bar line, strong, weak. So if it's 2-4 time, the quarter note gets the main beat. So if it was notated for the quarter note having the beat, we'll just keep it simple today, and I'll use quarter notes so you hear strong, weak, In 2-8 time, again, duple time, we're still going to have the pulse of strong, weak, but the 8th note is going to get the beat. So we'll use 8th notes. We have a weak 8th note, a strong 8th note, and then a weak one. Strong and weak. So simple duple time is strong, weak. Okay, let's erase this and go on to our triple time. And in triple time, if you recall, that means that the top number is going to be 3. So we will have 3 beats per measure. But in triple time, our pattern or our pulse is a little different. We're going to have strong, weak. And then our bar line, strong, weak. So here's beat 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And most of you will recognize that pulse, for instance, from the waltz. We have a strong, weak, strong, weak. That kind of feel. It's a dance feel. So in triple time, you could have 3-4. So again, we have the quarter note getting the pulse, or we could have, let's go to 3/16, and that would mean the 16th notes would be getting a beat, but you'd still keep the strong, weak pulse going in triple time. And we'll go through one more simple time that we've learned, then duple, triple, and we have our quadruple time. Quadruple time is a little bit more difficult just because it uses strong, weak, and a medium pulse as well. So quadruple time has 4 beats per measure, and your pulse or pattern is going to be strong, weak, medium, weak. And then we have our bar line, strong, weak, medium, weak. So beat 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And those patterns and pulses change just a little bit as we get into compound time, but we'll talk about those in a later chapter. I hope that this helps you in your lesson. Thanks very much.